Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this SoundPEATS Capsule 3 Pro. These are Bluetooth 5.3 earphone TWS through wireless earbuds, 43 dB hybrid ANC high resolution certified with LDAC audio codecs. Oh, that's Capsule 3 Pro wireless earbuds with high resolution sound and 52 hours of long-lasting time. The Capsule 3 Pro is one of the newest applications, devices, appliances from SoundPEATS, and it comes with a nice high-resolution audio, LDAC audio codecs, 12mm driver, hybrid active noise cancellation option, 6 mics for clearer calls, 70 ms for milliseconds, low latency if you go to the game mode. We have total of 52 hours, Bluetooth 5.3, touch control, transparent mode is included, and Type-C charging. These are the SoundPEATS Capsule 3 Pro Bluetooth True wireless earbuds. These are hybrid ANC active noise cancelling, high resolution certified LDAC codecs earbuds, 70 ms low latency game mode. Wow, that's a nice device. Easily to pair, as you can see. We open the charging case, we take out the two earbuds and the tear off the insulating film on the earbuds charging contacts. Then we put the earbuds back into the charging case and keep the lid open. We long press the button on the charging case for 3 seconds, or we can only lift it out again, then they will be automatically on. This indicates that the earbuds have entering into the pairing mode. We turn on the Bluetooth of our device, smartphone, tablet, or whatever Bluetooth device you like to use with it. And then we choose the SoundPEATS Capsule 3 Pro in the list to pair them. Then the earbuds will be connected with our device. We put both earbuds into the charging case properly. Of course, we can use them then. And if you place them back in the charging place, they will automatically shut down. If you continue, remove them out of the base, it will automatically pair with your devices. To read that device, we put both earbuds into the charging case properly and the indicator of the charging case flash twice. Then, with the lid off, open, we're going to push the charging case 10 seconds, and then it will be resetted. We close the lid, job's done. If we wear them and we push on the left earbud easily, we can make so many device appliance things with that. Right and left, of course. Power on automatically. We open the charging case, earbuds will automatically go on. Manually, we long press the button for 1.5 seconds on the earbud what you like. We power off them automatically. We place the earbuds back into the charging case and the close then lid and job's done. Manually, we long press the touch button for 10 seconds. Okay, play and pause. Double tap the touch button. Okay, right or left. Volume down, tap the left touch button once. Volume plus, tap the right touch button once. We play the next song, long press the right touch button for 1.5 seconds. We answer or hang up the phone call, double tap the touch button, right or left, as you like. Reject the phone call, long press the touch button for 1.5 seconds. Switch between two calls is possible, long press the touch button for 2 seconds. Manually enter into the pairing mode, long press the button on the charging case for 3 seconds. Then activate the voice assistant. Triple tap the right touch button. Enter or exit the game mode. Triple tap the left touch button, okay? And noise reduction, transparency, and normal mode switching. Long press the left touch button for 1.5 seconds. And you can enter into the noise reduction, transparency mode, or the normal mode. This is really cool. We have a display or an LED indicator on the charging case itself. Display means 100 up to 50% remaining power shows the green light. 49% to 10% remaining power shows the yellow light, and under 10%, remaining the power shows the red light. When the charging process is going on, because you docked it with an USB-C to USB cable, for example, a power supply, and then it will recharge. Up to 19%, red light flash slowly. 20 to 69%, yellow light flash slowly. And 70 to 99%, the green light flash. And 100% reach, that means the green light stays on. Easily to charge is we connect with a Type-C charging adapter to charge the charging case. The charging current is not greater than 1 ampere. When not in use for a long time, we should charge it once every 3 months at least. And the charging case has no remaining power. The earphone will not power off in charging case when the charging case has no power, so you have to recharge it if it is not in use for a long time. We make sure that the earphones are properly placed in the charging case and the charging metal piece and the pin are clean. This is a maintenance thing. We try to clean them. I think once a month is enough. But then you can't wear them a long time and you can make a big and nice audible experience with this Capsule 3 Pros by SoundPEATS. The sensitivity is from 102 plus minus 3 decibel. The resistance is 32 ohm. The frequency response range is from 20 up to 40,000 Hz. The codecs on which used is SBC and LDAC. We have activate noise cancellation if we like. The Bluetooth version is 5.3. This is nearly the newest. The Bluetooth Pro is HSP, HFP, A2DP, and AVRCP. The Bluetooth chipset in that is the WQ7033AR. The maximum working range is 33 feet. That's 10 meters. And the playtime, about 8 hours. The volume lower than 60% and ANC soft. Of course, you can reload them after 8 hours and then you gain up to a long time, 25 hours. That's possible. The charging case charging time is about 2 hours. The earbud charging time is about 1 hour. The charging case recharge earbuds is about 5.5 times. Then you have to recharge the charging case. The earbud power capacity is 3.7 volts, 70 milliampere hour. This is 35 milliampere hour 2 times. The charging case power capacity is 3.7 volt and 500 milliampere hour. The earbud dimensions are 33.57 to 21.53 to 25.61 millimeter. The charging case dimensions are 50.07 to 67.31 to 25.9 millimeter. And you will get what you need. You will get the Capsule 3 Pro earbuds, a Type-C charging cable, a charging case, and 6 interchangeable ear tips. Everything what you need is that if you like audio experience with high resolution wireless LDAC, perfect listening experience, wide frequency range, and hybrid active included, call noise reduction, super long accompany, transparent mode, game mode. Everything is possible here. And you can use it, of course, if you are having workout, no problem for it. Yeah, but do not go diving with it. These are the SoundPEATS Capsule 3 Pro wireless earbuds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.